Hello students, today we are going to solve 10th standard geometry second chapter Pythagoras theorem. In that problem set 2, 8th one, okay, 8th one, this is the problem set 2, 8th one. From the information given in the figure, prove that PM equal to Pn is root 3a. That we have to prove that Pn equal to Pn is root 3a. For this figure is not that accurate, so we'll take from the book. In this figure, see PQ, okay, PQ equal to PR, okay, then QR is A, QM is A, Rn is A. So these all are A. So we have to prove Pn equal to PM equal to Pn is root 3a. For that we can consider this triangle PMR. We can, so PQ is the median because QM equal to QR, both are A. So PQ is the median. Therefore we can use Apollonius theorem. By using Apollonius theorem formula, then we have to solve, okay. In this figure, first write PQ, this PQ equal to PR, okay, then QR equal to QM equal to Rn. These all are A. We have to, this information we got from the figure, okay. Therefore in triangle PMR, in triangle PMR, in triangle PMR, QM equal to QR. No, QM in triangle PMR, QM equal to QR, okay. QM equal to QR, and PQ is, therefore PQ is the median, therefore, and PQ is the median, okay. Yeah, PQ is a median. Therefore by Apollonius theorem, what is the formula? Apollonius theorem, PM square plus PR square equal to 2 PQ square plus 2 QM square, okay. So PM square plus Pn square equal to 2 median, now 2 PQ square plus 2 QM square, okay. Therefore PM square plus Pn square equal to 2 PQ square, 2 into PQ. PQ is A square, PQ is A square plus 2 QM square, 2 QM square, 2 QM is A square. PM square plus Pn square equal to 2a square plus 2a square is 4a square, no. See, in this form we took only triangle PMR, so PMR, so pm square plus pr square should be pm square plus r square, not pn square, not the whole triangle. We took only pmr, no? Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, pm square plus pr square equal to 2, this is the median, 2pq square plus 2qm square. Therefore, pm square plus pr is also a square equal to 2pq square is a square plus 2qm square is 2a square. Therefore, pm square equal to 2a square is 4 square, no? 4a square, a square bring it to this side, plus becomes minus. Therefore, pm square equal to 3a square, no? Therefore, pm is, taking square root now, root 3a square, that is, therefore pm is root 3a. Square root of a square is a. Therefore, this is what? pm is root 3a. Therefore, similarly, pn is also can root 3a, because we can prove by taking pr is the median by using in triangle pqn. In this way, using Apollonius theorem, pn is the median. Using Apollonius theorem, we can prove in the same way and we'll get pn equal to root 3a. Therefore, pm equal to pn equal to root 3a. Here's okay. This is the answer. Okay. Ninth one is, prove that the sum of the squares of the diagonals of a parallelogram is equal to the sum of the squares of its side. Here, what is parallelogram? What is parallelogram? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral, 4 sides, okay? Quadrilateral in which two pairs of opposite sides are of equal length and parallel. Both two pairs are parallel and are of equal length, and that quadrilateral is called parallelogram. So we'll draw one parallelogram. So here is a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram, and AC and BD are two diagonals. They meet at point O. So first we have to write the given. Given is, what is given? Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram and diagonals BD and AC intersect at point O. Okay, intersect at point O. Now to prove, what we have to prove? We have to prove the sum of the squares of the diagonals is equal to the sum of the squares of the sides. Sum of the squares means, sum of the squares of the diagonals means AC square plus BD square equal to AB square, BC square, CD square, AD square. Okay, to prove, what to prove? Sum of the squares of the diagonals, that is AC square plus BD square equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. AB square, BC square, CD square and AD square. Okay. Now proof. So first we can write this quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means 4 sides. ABCD is a parallelogram. And diagonal AC and BD are intersect at point O. Okay. Then AB equal to CD, because parallelogram is these opposite sides are parallel and of equal length, and BC is equal to AD. AB equal to CD, BC equal to AD. Okay. Segment AB. Okay. Therefore AB equal to CD, they are parallel and equal length, and AD equal to BC, because this is because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. Okay. And diagonals intersect each other. Okay. Of a parallelogram bisect each other. Not better word, bisect each other. They bisect each other. Therefore AO equal to OC. AO equal to CO or OC. CO. That is, AO means half of AC. Similarly, BO is DO or OD. OD is, that is, half of BD. Okay. Now let us consider triangle ABC. This triangle, okay, BO is the median, no, and in triangle ABC, BO is the median. So triangle and the median. So we can use Apollonius theorem. So according to the Apollonius theorem, this is the median. Therefore, according to the Apollonius theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to 2BO square plus 2OC square. Okay. So therefore, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC by Apollonius theorem, BO is the median. Yeah, in triangle ABC, BO is the median. You have to write here. Then by Apollonius theorem, okay, BO is the median. Then therefore AB square plus BC square equal to 2. Now median BO square plus 2OC square. Okay. So therefore AB square plus BC square equal to 2BO. 2 into BO. This BO is half BD. No, BO is half BD whole square. Half into BD whole square plus 2 into OC. OC here, OC is half AC. Half AC whole square. Okay. Therefore, 2 into square 1 by 4. Half BD means 1 by 4 BD square plus 2 into half AC means 1 by 4 AC square. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Therefore 1 by 2 BD square plus 1 by 2 AC square. This is what? This is AB square plus BC square. This is AB square plus BC square. Okay. Here fraction has come, so so multiplying both the sides by 2. Okay. So multiplying both the sides by 2, we get 2 AB square plus 2 BC square equal to, multiplying by 2 means this 2 will go, the only BD square plus AC square. Here multiplying by 2 means 2 goes, and here also 2 means no, so BD square. So now this 2AB square we can write like this. Therefore AB square plus another AB square. Okay. 2AB square plus AB square. This is 2AB square. Okay. Similarly BC square also we will write in the same way. BC square plus BC square. Okay. BC square plus BC square plus BC square, 2BC square. Okay. Therefore BD square plus AC square. Now AB square is, here we have to substitute AB square. Here AB means CD. In place of AB, write like this, AB square. This AB square we have to substitute CD square. Okay. Then BC square plus this BC is AD square. AD square, that is BD square plus AC square. Substituting. Okay, here you can write here, substituting AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. Substituting. Okay, in this. Therefore, we got the answer now. See, AC square plus BD square, then AB square plus CD square, that is BC square plus AD square. So rearrange and write the whatever you want to prove. No, rearrange and write. Okay, so we'll write this first, AC square. Therefore AC square plus BD square equal to, then AB square plus BC square, then CD square plus AD square. This is what we wanted to prove. Okay. Tenth one is Pranali and Prasad started walking to the east and to the north respectively from the same point and at the same speed. After 2 hours, distance between them was 15√2 km. Find their speed per hour. Okay. Here Pranali and Prasad, they started from the one particular point. Okay. See here, they started walking to the east and to the north. If we take this north south this thing, no, what we call see, this is north and this is south. Okay, this is east and this is west, no? So see, in this, Pranali and Prasad, they start from particular point. Okay, see here, particular point, walking to the east and to the north respectively, from the same point, and at the same speed. After 2 hours, distance between them was 15 root 2 kilometer. Find their speed. So for example, in this way we can draw. See, this is the point A. This is the point from, let it be A. Okay. From this point, this is the point from where Pranali starts walking. Okay. See, from A, Pranali starts walking and she reaches B. Okay. And from the same point, Prasad starts walking. Okay. Starts walking and then he reaches point C. Okay. C. East, Pranali. This AB represents the path of Pranali. Okay. And AC is the path of Prasad. And both are at 2 hours. After 2 hours, see, after 2 hours, distance between them was 15 root 2. Therefore, BC is 15 root 2. This is 15 root 2 kilometer. Okay. First, and see, this is both, they have same speed. Okay. After 2 hours, both took 2 hours. See, Pranali, after 2 hours she reaches point B. Okay. And Prasad also, after 2 hours he reaches C. Okay. So let's write here in this figure. A is the point. A is the point from A is the point from A, Pranali starts walking. Okay. And Prasad, Pranali and Prasad starts walking. It should be A is the point from A, Pranali and Prasad. Okay. Pranali and Prasad starts walking. Okay. And AB represents path of Pranali, and AC represents path of Prasad. Okay. After 2 hours, Pranali reaches B, and Prasad reaches C. Okay. Here BC is 15 root 2 kilometer. Okay, and both Pranali and Prasad walking at the same speed. Okay, therefore that will write Pranali and Prasad walking at same speed. Okay, same speed. After 2 hours they reach B. Therefore let us assume that their speed be x. Okay, let their speed be x kilometer per hour. And we know the formula, no? We know the formula, that is one is especially we know this speed is distance by time, no? Distance by time, no? But we need here speed. We have to find out speed, not, yeah, we have to first we have to distance covered by both of them we have to find out, no? Therefore distance is speed into time, no? Distance, therefore distance covered is speed into time. Therefore distance covered by that is AB is AB is speed is, we can assume that speed is x, no? X into time. AB is, therefore AB is, time is 2 hours. Okay, x into 2. Okay, x into 2. Therefore AB is 2x kilometer. Okay, similarly AC is x into 2, that is 2x kilometer. Okay, so therefore distance covered by AB is 2x kilometer per hour, and distance covered by AC is 2x, because both are at same speed and they walked same time. Their timing is same and their speed at same speed. Okay, so therefore AB is 2x, AC is also distance, that is AC is also 2x. Therefore now CAB is a right angle triangle. No, now in this we can use Pythagoras theorem, no? So according to the Pythagoras theorem, BC square equal to AC square plus AB square. AC is 2x here and AB is 2x. Okay, so therefore in triangle CAB, angle CAB is 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, BC square equal to AC square plus AB square. BC how much? BC is 15 root 2 whole square equal to AC is 2x, BC is also, AC is also 2x, AB is also 2x. Therefore 2x square plus 2x whole square. Therefore 15 square is 15 15s are 225, no, 225 into square root of square root of 2 is square root of 2 into this is answer is 2. Okay, therefore equal to 2x square is 4x square plus this is 4x square. This is 225 into 2, this is 8x square. 4x square plus 4x square is 8x square. Therefore 8x square equal to 225 into 2 divided by 8. Okay, let it be 8. Okay, x square is 225 into 2 by 8. Therefore 2 ones are 2, 4, 8, and x square is 225 by 4. Therefore x is square root of 225 by 4. That is 225 is 15, no, 15 square, and this is 2. Therefore x is 15 by 2. Taking square root of 225 is 15 and 4 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 15 15s are 225. Okay, x is 15 by 2. Now this is a x is a speed. Therefore 2 7s are 14. 1 remain 5 kilometer per hour. X is 7.5 kilometer per hour. Therefore the required speed is 7.5 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Okay. So in this video I have solved 8th, 9th and 10th. Okay, and in my next video I am going to start 11th onwards. Okay, so okay then, bye.